Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. So again, this is a 2023 casting. I bought it for 149, which was the MRP at the time. So the card art is like similar to the others apart from the Buick. Okay. So I think this one is like more of a, you know, outskirts, and that Buick one is more like a showroom kind of aesthetic, I guess. Okay, let's unbox this. So I personally wanted to buy this casting at that time because it had the acrylic headlights. It is not really easy to see those things for the price which you are paying. Like, more specifically, when it comes to Matchbox or Hot Wheels. And when it comes to Matchbox or Hot Wheels, you can't see acrylic headlights that easily in any across any range. But there are some castings like this, you will get that, and you don't need to miss that one out. Okay, here is the card art. Looks really good. Looks really beautiful actually. Okay, let's get into the casting. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really solid, and as I mentioned, it has acrylic headlights here. Looks really good, and it has the Mitsubishi logo here. It is again in red color. It's kind of a light red, but it's just getting mixed up with this paint job here. So the paint job actually has a lot of issues, rashes, bubbles, and everything. It has paint, it has scratches on the windshield. So it does have a wiper detail on the rear, front as well. So you can see the, wiper fluid, po- pointers or outlet. Yeah, outlet. Okay. So it has rear view mirror details here. That looks really nice. You can see the door handles here. That is really good, because they went with something unique for this particular casting. So the rims looks okay. It does suits this particular casting, and the chassis looks really nice. It has a lot of detailing here, including the exhaust here. So I'm really happy that I actually got this one, even though it has some issues here. So even it has a turn indicator here, and it has tail light details here. Everything is there. So the interior looks really good. So the body is fully metal, including the spoiler, and the chassis is plastic, if you guys are wondering. So it has the grill details here. It does have some detailing here. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Feels a bit heavy, maybe around 40 grams. Okay, 35, not bad. And honestly, that looks really beautiful. And dress rolled really well as well. So far, whatever Matchbox we unboxed, everything rolled really well compared to the recent Hot Wheels which we unboxed on our channel. And this being to 2023 castings, these things really looks and performs the job really well. It's a little bit of wheel wobble, but it is negligible because it does its job really well. So let's rate this casting now. So without any hesitation, I would give 10 out of 10. I'm not going to reduce anything at all. Again, paint rashes and scratches are specific to mine, but apart from that, the casting literally has everything you can ask for. Headlights, awesome chassis detailing, tail light details, and everything. So if you guys are able to still get this particular casting somewhere, please go ahead and get it. You won't regret it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.